Deepfind AI is one of the newest players in the AI space, and today we're going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. Whether you're a digital marketer or just someone exploring the world of AI, you're going to want to stick around for this, because I'll be sharing insights that could make or break your decision to adopt Deepfind AI for your business. First things first, Deepfind AI is an AI-powered tool designed to help businesses find and leverage valuable insights from large sets of data. If you're someone who deals with lots of information, or you've been looking for an AI that can turn raw data into actionable insights, this software is worth your attention. But it's not just about the basics. Deepfind AI offers a few things that set it apart from the competition, so let's dive in. The first thing to note is its ability to process complex data sets in real time. Most AI tools are good at analyzing data, but Deepfind takes it a step further by delivering insights faster and more accurately. This means you can make data-driven decisions almost instantly, which is a huge advantage in today's fast-paced digital environment. Next, let's talk about customization. One of the biggest advantages of Deepfind AI is how easily it adapts to your specific business needs. Whether you're in e-commerce, digital marketing, or any other field, Deepfind can be fine-tuned to focus on the metrics that matter most to your business. This makes it an incredibly versatile tool, especially for businesses that want to stay ahead of their competitors. Another key feature is its ability to predict trends. Deepfind AI doesn't just look at past data, it helps you forecast future trends based on current patterns. This predictive capability can be a game changer for digital marketers, as it allows you to stay proactive instead of reactive. Whether you're planning marketing campaigns, sales strategies, or inventory management, Deepfind helps you make decisions that position your business for long-term success. For those of you working with teams, Deepfind AI also has a collaborative interface that allows multiple users to access and analyze data at the same time. This feature helps ensure that everyone is on the same page, which is particularly important for teams that need to work together to make quick decisions. The user interface is another standout feature. Deepfind AI boasts a sleek, intuitive dashboard that even non-technical users can navigate easily. This accessibility means you won't need to spend hours learning the ins and outs of the software, making it a great option for businesses that need quick adoption and seamless integration into their workflows. It's also worth mentioning that Deepfind AI is constantly evolving. The team behind the software is committed to rolling out updates and new features based on user feedback, ensuring that it stays relevant and competitive in an ever-changing market. Now, if you're wondering whether it's worth the investment, here's the good news. You can try Deepfind AI completely free from the first link in the description below. That's right, no strings attached. You get full access to the software so you can see for yourself if it meets your needs. Finally, after testing thousands of AI software options, I've got a list of recommended AI tools that I trust and use myself. They're linked in the description, and you can check them out for free as well. So if you're looking to level up your data game with Deepfind AI, give it a shot and see how it can help you uncover deeper insights, faster and more efficiently. Thanks for watching.